Happy Tuesday, everybody. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. I am again on the way to Masterson's National School in Manorhamilton for week 2 of our lessons, and we're going to do a little bit of barrel dancing with them today and get them reintroduced to the barrel. I had such a superb weekend. Firstly, back in the Star Factory with the wonderfully talented children of Sligo Town and the surrounding areas, and secondly, had a very quick visit to Achill to see a couple of friends, and for our local Coltis branch night out. We had an absolute whale of a time, and if you missed it, there's a video on our TikTok and our Instagram. So we are here and set up and ready to go. We have some music by the wonderful band Trip on to welcome the kids into their lesson, and we have our barrel here and set up. Our barrel was actually made by one of our club members that was in our Roscommon class. His name is Ethan, and he made these fantastic barrels for us. They're really lightweight and easy to carry around. So the Grange class is just finished. I finally managed to get some footage of our adult class, so I really hope you enjoyed. I am just getting a chance to go through some of the messages here on the page. Thank you so much for all your messages. I'm going to try and get back to them all individually if I can. We have plenty to keep myself and all the club members very busy, and we will fill you in all the way. Thanks a million. Hello everyone, just checking back in with you here from Keeju Hall. I have spoken to Kayla and asked her about the TikTok question. She said she's keeping it under wraps, so hopefully we'll get that up before the weekend. As you can hear, there's a lot of commotion going on, so I'm going to show you a little clip. Here in Ballintoher at our pre-teen advanced class. I'm going to introduce you to them, and they're going to tell you their favourite step.
My name is Kean, and my favourite step is the batter. Hi, my name is Rion, and my favourite step is horse batter. Hi, my name is Jessica, and my favourite step would probably be their Roscommon step. Hi, my name is Emma, and my favourite step is wave.
Hi, my name is Franklin, and my favourite step is down triple toe jump.
Hi, my name is Nicole, and my favourite step is wave.
Hi, my name is Tanya, and my favourite step is horse batter.
Hi, my name is Ava, and my favourite step is horse batter.
Everyone say hello! Okay, you're going to dance the step for them. What's the name of the step? Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and... Thursday, everybody. I hope you are keeping well. I've just arrived here in the Morrison Cottage in Riverstown ahead of our second class of the term. I'm really looking forward to seeing everybody this evening. I am just here doing a little bit of paperwork. I have my energy drinks ready, and we are doing a merchandise order soon on dance uniforms. So I just have a couple of bits and bobs so people can try on for sizes, and yeah, that's really it. We're going to take you along with us this evening. We're hoping to have another TikTok up, so we have a little plan in place for that as well. I just wanted to pop on as well and say that we have some exciting news coming in the next few days, so I will keep you updated on that on the Instagram, and you can maybe guess. Send us a message and tell us what you think it might be. 2, 3, and...
Shoes, just to boogie with you. Yeah, I wanna put on my boogie shoes, just to boogie with you. I wanna do it till the sun
from the car again. I hope you are all keeping well. Happy Friday. We had a fantastic class yesterday in Riverstown, a very busy, chaotic one. And I really hope you enjoyed our TikTok. So thank you so much for Kayla for organising that. I'm heading into Strokestown now to be with the TYs to teach them a little bit more Sean-Nós dancing and where it all originated from and all the history behind it. Our exciting announcement of news is coming tomorrow evening, so please stay tuned for that. Some of your guesses are right, so we won't share them, but we will share the ones that are not quite there.
3, 2, 1, jump up. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Toe drop, toe drop, toe drop. Little jump, left, right. 3, 2, 1, next step. Here, go. 2 more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.